we're going to evaluate the integral e to the power of x divided by e to the power of 2x plus 3 dx. So before we get started, let's just rewrite this. With e to the x, I'm going to write this as e to the power of x squared plus 3 dx. We're going to use substitution twice. So we're going to let u equal e to the x. So du equals e to the x dx. So substituting in for u now, we have 1 divided by u squared plus 3, and then we have du, because du takes care of this. All right, next step. We're trying to get it to look like arctan here, or inverse tan. So let's let u equal square root of 3t. And that's because I want my t to equal u divided by square root of 3. Now, when you do that, our derivative of u is going to equal square root of 3 derivative of t. So basically what we're going to do is substitute now. So substitute again. We're going to get 1, and u is square root of 3 times t squared plus 3 times du. So du is square root of 3 dt. So simplifying this, I'm going to get the integral of square root of 3 divided by, and this part here is going to be 3t squared plus 3. Then we have dt. Simplifying this, I can pull out a 3 and write this as square root of 3 divided by 3 times t squared plus 1 dt. And finally, I can pull this out and write this as square root of 3 divided by 3 times the integral of 1 divided by t squared plus 1 dt. Now we have our arctan form. And also remember that since we have this, square root of 3 divided by 3 is equal is the same as 1 divided by square root of 3. So if you got something like that, that's fine. Now we're going to substitute back in and work backwards. So we have our t, and our t is u square root of 3. So that's what I'm going to write next. Our t was u divided by square root of 3. Our u was e to the power of x divided by is just that. And so if I substitute this in, I'm going to get this equals e to the power of x divided by square root of 3. So now we have our form. We had 1 divided by square root of 3, or you could have had square root of 3 divided by 3, and the integral of 1 divided by t squared plus 1 dt. That was on the other slide. This equals 1 divided by square root of 3 inverse tan of t, and then you do your plus c. Okay, now our t, I've written here. So we have this equals 1 divided by square root of 3 inverse tan, or arctan, of e to the power of x divided by square root of 3 plus c. And that would be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.